All right, good morning, everybody, and a very warm welcome to the Empowering Morning Conversations. And let me remind you, what is the purpose of these Empowering Morning Conversations? It is to make us empowered so that we start the day on the right note in a world that is bombarding us with negativity. We want to work together and stay positive. We are the positivity warriors. We will not allow negativity to influence us. Very clear we are. Either the world will influence us negatively or we are going to influence the world positively. Which one will it be? Positively, of course. All right, so very, very good morning. I'm waiting for a few more friends to join so that we can start off with a little process. But as you can make out from what is written behind me, today is a day to choose happiness. In a life where for some reason or the other we have some vested interest in choosing unhappiness, do we choose unhappiness? I don't think so, but it becomes a default mode for all of us.
Sometimes unhappiness chooses us.
Yeah, because we allow that to happen, right? I've been dwelling on this question since early morning, that what vested interest have we got in choosing misery? I know for sure one thing, we get the reality that we choose. It's like becoming a part of a movie, and then you choose what role do you want to have. Do you want Meena Kumari role? Do you want the role of the villain like Pran? Or do you want to be the hero? Or do you want to be the comedian, make everybody laugh? And I think a lot of people like the tragedy role. So we enter into this virtual reality of life saying that I want to be the tragedy queen or the tragedy king or the warrior. I have to fight with everybody that I meet. So it's a very, very interesting story that we want to be a part of, right? So, how would you like to change the story today? Ladies and gentlemen, would you like to change the story today? And if you could change the story today, what story would you choose? The happy story, the happiness song. So let's start with the happy note. You know how we generate happiness early in the morning, ladies and gentlemen? When I
Yes,
say
by
1, 2, 3, we will all laugh 100% without making a sound. So 1, 2, 3, go! Laughing online. नहीं सर, मेरे दांत दिखाई दे जाएंगे, मैं नहीं चाहता कि मेरे गंदे दांत दिखाई दे। मेरे तो दिखते ही नहीं। So good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning.
good
Let's go.
morning.
Let me share my screen. I have a little presentation for you. Always very little. So how are you today? We are 10 people, and how nice to have 10 people. What's going on? Today my computer is behaving in a very slow way. So today is the day when we choose happiness. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, consciously remind yourself moment by moment that today I am choosing happiness. I will focus my attention on those things which make me happy. Yes? Are you willing to do that? If
Yes,
you do that, then all of life will come to us with ease, joy, and glory. Would you like to have that?
yes,
Wonderful. So today I choose happiness and I will focus on all those things that make me happy. What will you do? I will choose happiness today and I will focus on all those things that make me happy. So, what are those things that make me happy? The thing which makes me happy is to see the smile on the face of my wife early in the morning. That makes me happy. What makes me happy is to see the smile on the faces of all the people that I see virtually, unfortunately. So, what makes you happy and what are you going to focus on? Come on, guys, let's hear from you. Unless you're waiting for some very profound things to be said. Come on, come on, come on. I'm waiting for you to share something with us. What are those things you are going to focus on that's going to make you happy today? What are the things that you're going to focus on that's going to make you happy today?
Okay, so the smile and the happiness on my kids' face and the family members.
Yeah, so you can actually visualize that that is happening.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Somebody else. What are you going to focus on today that is going to make you happy?
Doing the assigned activity at the right time.
And what would that be?
That would be that I make a program for the day and allot it some time slot and starting at the right time when the activity starts.
Okay, so that will make you happy?
Yes, yes, yes.
Really? So the things that make you happy are the things that make you happy, right? So it's good to know what are the things that make me happy. I'd love to hear that. Let's talk about the things that make us happy. What makes you happy? Come on, guys, don't tell me that you've been wallowing in misery so much that you don't even remember what makes you happy. Hello, hello, what makes you
Yes.
happy?
Tomorrow is going to be Eid for me.
All right.
So I will be happy when my house is all neat, tidy, and everything in place. That's what I'm going to do, and that is going to make me very happy.
Okay, something else? Anybody else? What is going to make you happy?
When
I get the payment what I expected today, I'll be happy, sir.
So you say every time I receive a payment that makes me happy. So can you imagine that
Yes.
you're getting payment and feel happy about it? You know something, the human mind does not know the difference between a real experience and imaginary experience. You know that?
Yeah.
So you can imagine that I'm receiving a payment today and I'm feeling very happy. Okay, somebody else. What makes you happy?
when we get our desired results, or
What is that desired result you want that makes you happy? Think of the desired. You must have achieved some desired result at some point, right? Made you happy. Remember? So what was that desired result you got that made you happy? You know, happiness comes when you dwell on all the things that make you happy, when you remember them. When you remember something, you create it, you recreate it, na? So that's what I'm saying. Why don't you recreate those moments in your life when you were happy? And you'll feel happy right now. See, we are walking around with happiness within us because there have been innumerable times in our life, you know, simple things, complicated things, so many things happened and we felt very happy. All we have to do is relive them. It's interesting, you know, how our mind is focusing on all the things that made us unhappy in the past and we keep on becoming unhappy now. Isn't it? Look at the tendency of the mind, you know, to remember the things that make you unhappy and become unhappy now. It is not happening right now. But you are unhappy. Oh, that happened. It made me unhappy. Or you will keep thinking about something that might happen. It didn't happen yet. It might happen, and you think about that and you get happy. Hello, if you're going to think about something that is not happening to make yourself unhappy, why not think of something that can make you happy, which has already happened? Or you can think of something which makes you happy and it can happen. See, the choice is yours, right? So think. So, question I have for you. The question is, what secret agenda with happiness do you have? I think we have some secret agenda with unhappiness. That's why we keep remembering things about being unhappy and then we become unhappy. So, what is the secret agenda that we have with unhappiness that makes you never choose happiness and joy? I'm very clear about one thing, boss. I can choose to be happy by just choosing to be happy, or I can choose to be happy by remembering things that made me happy in the past. All those occasions, wonderful occasions in my life, and there are so many of them. When my first child was born and I looked at him, it made me feel so happy. I can think of that and be happy. Well, I fell in love. I can think of that wonderful moment when my love was reciprocated and I felt so happy. We can think of all those wonderful things, isn't it, that our life has been full of. Can anybody say that we've only been miserable all our life? That we have had only moments of misery, sir. Mine is a very special life, you know. I have had my more than fair share of miserable things. Hello, what about the happiness things? There are a lot of things that could have made you happy, right? When you achieve something great, when you set up your first plant, when you got your first order, when you got your first payment. Why don't we think about that and get happy? So my question to you is, what secret agenda with unhappiness do you have that makes sure that you are never going to choose joy and happiness? And you'll always have misery and the intensity of unhappiness. So are you going to give up that tendency to always think about things that make you unhappy and be unhappy? If you give it up, what will happen? Then you will have happiness and joy. If I stop choosing to remember about the things that made me unhappy, if I stop wanting to be afraid of those things which might make me unhappy, I might allow happiness to be there in my life. So are you interested in doing that, my dear friends?
Yes.
Yeah. Good morning, all.
Hi, good morning.
When you try to escape the unhappiness, there will be happiness.
Well, you can let go of it. No, you don't have to escape it. In any case, it is not, you are not put in some jail called unhappiness, right? Why you have to escape from something which you are only keeping with you?
No, I mean skipping. I
Release it.
Yes,
I don't want.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You are holding it because you think about it.
Yeah.
You're holding it because you remember it.
See,
you release it.
Yeah, there are some kind of incidents like when my client gets his climb, I'm happy. And after getting the climb, if he refers me 4 or 5 clients, more happy.
Exactly. So you ask one question to yourself, what is it that is not allowing me to smile right now? What is it that forces me to be so serious? You know, I'm in a serious discussion about happiness, so I should be serious. Hello?
Yeah, I mean, what I believe is...
अभी आया ना मजा, अभी ना आपने अपने चेहरे को परमिशन दे दी हंसने के लिए. आप सबके लिए वो गाना गाना पड़ेगा. बेबी जरा हंस दे तू हंस दे जरा. टैक्स लगता है क्या हंसने पे?
कोई टैक्स नहीं है सर.
तो तुमको क्या हो गया आज? तुम क्यों दरिद्र नारायण दुखी देवदास लग रहे हो आज सुबह सुबह?
On my
That's much better.
देवदास भी हंसता है कभी-कभी.
तो अभी हंसा ना. It's very interesting, you know. We have to remind ourselves here. Come on, man, let me smile. I think we should keep a few mirrors around us and look at the mirror and say, "Hey, bloody fool, why are you looking so miserable today? ऐसा क्या हो गया? जिंदा हो ने? नहीं सर, कोविड है दुनिया में. तुम जिंदा हो ने?"
Actually, most of the people, what I heard from people is happiness is temporary. So similarly, instant and temporarily, even unhappiness is also temporary, and
Yeah. But do you know why the unhappiness stays?
it's a pain.
No,
So
why does it stay? I'll tell you what stays.
Because you allow it to stay.
we store
Really?
it. Store things we store in memory. Happy
How?
things we forget mostly.
Really, I'll tell you what happens. You know, there is an old French saying, it says, what you resist persists. You know that one? What you resist will remain in your life. Now, happiness is the only thing which we don't resist, you see. So it doesn't stay.
Oh, good logic. Yes.
Aati hai, jati hai.
Yes.
But the unhappiness we resist so much, and because we are resisting it, it always remains there. Ore dukhi man mere, suno mera kehna, jani chena. So we listen to these all sad songs, lovely ones, you know.
So we make
We
alert. When we are alert, it is always in the mind. So उसको नहीं आने देना करके.
बड़ा secret है. I keep saying that secret every time I talk to you. You want to be happy? Stop judging. You want to be happy? Choose happiness. You want to be happy? Choose the thoughts which will make you happy. Relive those moments in your life when you are happy. You'll be happy. But they are not here, sir. Hello? Unhappy moments are also not there, sir. Now, why are you choosing it? At this present moment, you tell me what is available to you at this present moment. You know, if you live in the present, actually, we only live in the present, right? Were you alive 10 seconds from now? You were. Are you going to be there 10 seconds from now? I don't know. But are you here now?
Yes.
Right now? Okay, so right now, what is the reason to be unhappy? Right now, what is the reason to be happy? Choice. So, my dear friends, moral of the story is choose happiness, allow that happiness to come because it's up to you. It is there with you, it belongs to you. Nobody can take away something that belongs to you. Your natural childlike state is only a happy state. Look at children, man. You leave them alone, they are happy. The moment they see the adults coming, they become serious. I was, today morning, we have this little meeting with the four of us, So when I joined the meeting, they didn't know I was there. So they were laughing and joking. The moment they saw me, they became serious. Teacher ji, aa gaye hai, serious ho jao. Kahan likha hai, bhai? So what is our default mode? Default mode used to be happiness when we were 3 years old. Yeah, full of joy, chulbulay, enjoying life, frolicking all over the place. What fun life was. Then after some time it became serious because our great parents used to say, be serious. Don't be a bloody joker. Serious nahi hoge to gadhe banoge hi. Ye hai, wo hai. So then the default mode became what? Be serious.
Take responsibilities.
Oh, you cannot be happy and be responsible. Where is it written? Suppose a crisis is taking place, everybody expects you to be very serious. All right. If you don't look serious, they'll say you are not taking this crisis seriously. Okay, crisis is a crisis. I can deal with it in a happy way. I can deal with it in an unhappy way. Just because everybody wants to be unhappy when there is a crisis, I should also be unhappy. If I'm happy, I cannot deal with the crisis. I can. Actually, you know what? All of you people who know about my theory about brain number 1, 2, and 3, this thinking brain, this rational brain only works when we are happy. So, are you going to allow yourself to be happy? Yes or no?
Yes.
So one more time, I'm going to ask you a silly question. What secret agenda with unhappiness do you have that makes sure that you never choose the lightness of joy and happiness? But instead of that, you are choosing misery and intensity of unhappiness as though that is real. Are you going to allow yourself to choose happiness? Or are you going to be stuck in your unhappiness? It's a matter of your choice, my dear friends. You know something? I'll tell you something very, very interesting. To be happy, you know, it requires a lot of intelligence, it requires awareness, it requires courage. And you know what you need to be unhappy? Should I tell you? To be unhappy requires you to be stupid. It requires stupidity, misery, and believing other people's realities. So just because everybody else is miserable, should I also be miserable? I know that misery likes company, but why do you want to give company to miserable people? So please remember, my dear friends, I know that you're wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary human beings who deserve to be loved and respected for who you are. Okay? And remember that you have the intelligence, awareness, and courage to be happy. And remember something, to be unhappy, you require stupidity, misery, and accepting the misery of other people. Which one do you want? Which one do you want? Misery or unhappiness? Happiness. Wow. A lot of us believe that we have no choice about being happy. You know that? We actually believe that we have no choice about being happy. If you keep on believing, and if you keep on allowing these circumstances to influence you, अगर आप परिस्थितियों को आपको प्रभावित करने दोगे, you will always be unhappy and you'll never have a choice. So ladies and gentlemen, choice of happiness requires intelligence, it requires awareness, and it requires courage. Which one are you going to choose? And I want to tell you something very, very interesting that will make your ears stand up, kaan khade ho jayenge. Do you know that? Money, happiness creates money. Happiness generates money. Happiness creates possibilities. Happiness creates choice. Happiness makes it possible for you to give and to receive. You know something, in order to be happy, you have to have the courage to be different. Now, why am I saying that you have to have the courage to be different? Because everybody wants to be miserable. So this is actual fact I've seen. One day somebody was sharing with me, sir, today I was being happy all day. And people are asking him, what happened? Remember, Rasina ji, you had shared that with me one day. Today I was being happy and smiling. And my family is asking me, kya hua? How come you are happy today? Because लोगों को लगता है कि it's very unnatural to be happy. क्या पी के आए हो? इतने खुश क्यों लग रहे हो भाई?
कौन मैं?
नहीं, generally people will ask, no? Because they expect everybody to be serious and glum. Oh, I'm seriously going about my business. ये बड़ी मुश्किल दुनिया है भाई, जिंदगी संघर्ष है, हम संघर्ष कर रहे हैं और संघर्ष करते करते खुश कैसे हो सकते हैं? सफरिंग इज माय डिफॉल्ट मोड. हम तो दुनिया में सफरिंग करने ही आए. लॉट ऑफ पीपल गिव यू लेक्चर्स लाइक दैट. You like it? So having said that, ladies and gentlemen, are you going to be having the courage to make yourself happy today? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
And how are you going to do that? What are you going to do today that will make you happy? What are you going to do today which will make somebody else happy? This is the time when you are supposed to make a declaration. If you make a declaration, you will do something today. So I have spoken
And
what I
you
have to speak.
whole day.
Yeah. Okay. That's how you will make yourself happy. How will you make somebody else happy?
Be in the positive mode throughout the day.
Okay, very good. Now I'd like to hear from everybody one by one. Are you going to be happy today? And how will you do that? And are you going to make somebody happy today? Yeah, Siri, if you are, no, you can mute yourself or you can share what you want to share.
Okay.
Go ahead. What are you going to do today to make somebody happy? What are you going to do today to make you happy? Kuldeep ji always shares, already shared. He said, if I do my work on the right time, that will make me happy. So he's going to do everything on the right time. How are you going to make somebody else happy? By tickling them at the right time? Yes, sir. Good morning.
No, just give a smile.
So you will smile at everybody that you meet.
Yeah.
Okay, that will make them happy, all right. Or they might start thinking, why are you smiling at them? मैंने क्या किया? मेरे बटन तो नहीं खुले हुए हैं. Sirish आज smile क्यों कर रहा है? क्या हो गया इसको?
So I'm
Okay,
not laughing,
Abhinav.
I'm smiling. I'm not laughing, I'm smiling.
हो गया ना Jatin? Okay, very good. All right, thank you very much for sharing it. Abhinav, what about you? What are you going to do to make you happy and to make somebody else happy?
Smile.
What
Yes,
I
sir.
am going to do today is to make myself happy is to complete the pending works that I am delaying continuously for many days.
Okay, congratulations. एक pending work बताऊं मैं आपको?
Yes, sir.
ये जरा झाड़ फानूस हटा लो ना, it will make you happy.
Okay, sir.
Okay, very good. Next person.
I made मेरा दूध वाला दूध देता है घर पे,
अच्छा,
उनका पीछे पड़ के उनका पेमेंट कर दिया तो ही इज हैप्पी.
नहीं अभी क्या करोगे और क्या करोगे टू मेक समबडी हैप्पी? हेलो, वो दूध देता नहीं है, वो दूध डिलीवर करता है.
डिलीवरी करता है. दूध तो
गाय देती है.
गाय या भैंस देती है. या एंड उसी दूध को थोड़ा बिल्ली को दिया, बिल्ली और बिल्ली का बच्चा.
अरे वो तो हो गया, आगे क्या करने जा रहे हो? हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू मेक समबडी हैप्पी? यू ओनली मेक एनिमल्स हैप्पी और
no, human is also an animal, no?
so what? Without money, how will you make somebody happy today? If you give money, they may be happy anyway.
No, acknowledge people.
Once I gave money to someone, that fellow says, "Bas, itna hi." Then also they are not happy. Come on, guys! I'm waiting for other people to speak up. Hasina, what are you going to do? Yes, Rama.
By communicating properly.
Acha. So why don't you tell us what is that secret communication you will do that is going to make somebody happy?
That whatever we think, whatever we understand, instead of assuming, communicate with the people clearly. So that
Achha.
makes people happy.
Okay, I believe you if you say so. Okay, somebody else. What are you going to do? What are you going to do to make you happy? And what are you going to do to make other people happy?
Just to add on Ramaji's point, like before you joining the meeting, the way we were laughing.
Exactly. मेरे आने के बाद ऐसे क्या भूत खा गया था आपको?
कोई
Sometimes
खाया
I
नहीं
think-
होगा तो. कोई खाया नहीं है, आपका सामने भी उछल के हंस रहे हैं, तो
अब हंस रहे हैं ना?
उछल के हंस रहे हैं वो भी.
Okay, come on. What about other people? Archan, May, Nidhi, Neeti, Susan. What are you going to do to make yourself happy today?
So can I go ahead?
Yes.
Yeah, I will spend some quality time with family.
Okay.
Send some gift to my niece.
Okay.
Yes. And then
Okay.
I'm going to start some new project. So I'm going to prepare some plan for that. That will make
Okay.
me happy.
And all these things will make you happy. Wow! Fantastic.
Yes.
Excellent.
Okay.
Thank you very much for sharing. All right. Who else? Meenakshi Kulkarni.
I'm going to make envelopes with money to give it to my children tomorrow for Eid.
Wow! And that will make them happy. Will it make you happy also?
Very much.
Okay, good. Congratulations. That's excellent. And you put lots of love along with the money, okay?
Oh yes, very much.
So when they open it, love will come out, not money. Money will also come out. Okay, very good. All right, who's next? Yes, Neeti.
Yes, sir. Yesterday, I was listening for a long time to the loops that you had sent me, and I discreated a lot of things. So I think I started my happiness from yesterday evening, and I'm still continuing in that mode because this time I listened to the loops very carefully, and I was able to discreate, I think, a million things.
So what are you going to do today to make someone happy? You made me happy by sharing it.
Yes. Now, what I'm going to do today is whatever I have on hand, I am going to take it a step forward based on whatever I've discreated yesterday.
So what do you have in your hand right now? Balin?
No.
कोई डंडा वंडा हाथ में है तो बताओ.
नहीं.
I can take it one step forward. No, next step is I will lift it. Next step is I'll hit it. So I'm going one step forward.
नहीं, वो तो पता चलेगा ना.
Sometimes, you know, when you smile and laugh, other people become unhappy. Have you noticed that? कि ये क्यों इतना खुश हो रही है?
हाँ.
हम तो पूरा कोशिश कर लिए इसको दुखी करने के लिए, अभी भी खुश हो रही है. चक्कर क्या है? ये भी होता है ना.
So since I've shared a lot of negative vibes that I carried, so I am in a far better state now. Far better.
Wow. Wow. So the happiness meter is on what? 98 out of 100?
100.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, who's next? What are you going to do to make you happy? Meenakshi, Ashok, whoever. Yes. Archan Mai, good to see you.
Yes. Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Today, of course, usually I'm in practice that I do small things which make others happy. So when others are happy, that makes me happy. As well as
why don't you share with us what is the small things you do? Maybe others will learn how to do that. You know, हमें भी बताइए आप लोगों को खुश कैसे करते हैं, हमें भी बताइए ना, हमें भी बताइए, हमको नहीं मालूम है कैसे करना है लोगों को खुश, हमको खुद भी नहीं खुश हो रहा है, जानते हैं दूसरों को खुश कैसे करें. मैडम प्लीज बताइए.
Actually, for that we have to focus on the person, what the person likes. So छोटे small act which the person will be happy with, I try doing that.
एक sample बताइए ना. Why don't you give us a sample जो आपने actually किया है और करते रहते हो?
Example है like for small act, like whenever I'm arranging the one corner of the room for nicely for a long time I have not done, so that makes like my husband happy that yes, you have done today this thing, so he feels very happy. If I make something special dish for my daughter, that makes her very happy, so I make sure that I make that dish which was pending for some time, so that way it is.
तो मैं आपको एक और बताता हूँ, आपको वो ट्राई करके देखना, और शिरीष आप भी ट्राई करना. आप अपने जो नियर एंड डियर वाले हैं ना उनको ऐसे ऐसे करके बोले मॉम हाउ स्वीट यू आर, सी हाउ हैप्पी दे विल बिकम. बोले वो वापस आ गया मेरा, कहाँ खो गया था, अभी आ गया वापस. विल बी सो हैप्पी, है ना? ऐसे कैसे हो
डुगली पुश.
अपने आप को ही करके देख लो यार, ये दाढ़ी बड़ी अच्छी है, इसको फील कर लेते हैं, थोड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. Thank you very much. Okay, Manasi. Okay, Manasi. We are waiting to hear from you also.
Hi. So, what I would do is, people have been telling me to do certain things. I just finish them and make them happy. Like so many meetings where people are actually calling me and I'm not able to go there. Some things which I have to do, So I will just finish all my things, you know, and that will make them happy. I don't know how much happiness I will get from that.
So why don't you tell us how are you going to make yourself happy?
Myself happy, that I'm already doing every day.
Okay, congratulations. Why don't you tell us? Maybe some of our friends here will learn how to do that also. क्योंकि वो कई लोग बोलते हैं क्या करूं सर मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है खुश होने के लिए क्या करूं मेरे को मालूम नहीं है
यही है ना जैसे आपकी मीटिंग अटेंड कर ली तो थोड़ी खुशी आ गई ऐसे ही
और कुछ नहीं होता है तो अपने आप को गुदगुदी कर लो खुशी आ जाएगी
नहीं
all right good thank you okay let's hear from somebody else Ashok ji what are you going to do to make you happy
सुबह जब
आपकी आवाज सुनाई नहीं दे रही है अभिनव आप म्यूट हो गए हो अभिनव आप म्यूट हो गए हो प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ
He is speaking with somebody else.
Oh, I thought he is speaking to us. Okay. In the meantime, Vitrivel can say, or anybody else can say whatever.
Asina ji wants to say.
Can I share one more point?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, every morning when my granddaughter gets up, she comes straight to me and she hugs me. That makes me really very happy.
Oh.
Yeah.
Can I go, sir?
Yeah.
So maybe, you know, all the near and dear ones, maybe my closest family members today, you know, I'll actually think about everyone and I'll try to do something that makes them happy. And when they are happy, we are automatically happy.
All right. So you're not going to say, maybe I will do it.
No, I will do it.
A lot of people are very fond of going on saying, maybe this, maybe that. Anyway, good. Thank you very much for sharing, Susan. And बहुत देर से हमारे दोस्त अभिनव कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं कभी उनका माइक्रोफोन नहीं साथ देता है बोलो अभिनव हम बहुत सुनने के लिए उत्सुक तो हो रहे हैं
Sir, before Abhinav joins, Vetrivel, today is Eid holiday started. So I am going to my friend's house. I am going to be happy. I am going to make him happy. And final thing is, I make sure that my wife doesn't know all this.
Yeah, why if she comes to know, she'll not be happy. तुमने non-veg खाया? What a rascal! You cannot do all these things, you know. You are maintaining secrets, just to be happy. Okay, very good. What else?
Even by maintaining some secrets also you can become happy. You can make others happy.
Yeah, maybe. Who knows?
Some secrets which the person is in a awkward situation and you don't show that you know this.
Yeah, that might. Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
At least he will not become unhappy. क्योंकि जब लोगों की पोल खुल जाती है तो बहुत अनहैप्पी हो जाते हैं ना
अनहैप्पी हो जाते हैं
बिल्कुल सही बात है
देखिए करना
and you see something very interesting is happening if you ask people to tell you their dukhas, you know, they cannot stop talking. आपने देखा है अपनी दुख भरी कहानी सुनानी होती है तो बोलते जाएंगे हम बोलते हैं यार खुशी की बात करो तो एक सेंटेंस बोल के चुप हो जाएंगे ये क्या कंजूसी है
यार
क्यों हम इतने कंजूस हैं खुशी की बातें बताइए आप कैसे खुश होंगे आप लोगों को कैसे खुश करेंगे आज इस दुनिया को और महकता हुआ जहां कैसे बनाएंगे आप तो कलाकार हैं अब हमको हंसाइए ना
राइट सर
हमारी आपने गुजारिश कबूल नहीं की
सर अभी तो कुछ हो नहीं रहा है नथिंग इज हैपनिंग नाउ
अरे यार आप ये बोलो तो भी मैं मान जाऊंगा सर अभी मैंने रिहर्सल नहीं करी है मैं कैसे बताऊं पहले रिहर्सल कलाकार लोग पहले रिहर्सल करते हैं सर खुश होने से पहले खुशी की रिहर्सल करनी पड़ती है हमको
हाँ तो अभी खुशी की रिहर्सल तो करनी ही पड़ती है
You know something, I'll tell you कि हम लोग इतने ज्यादा सीरियस हो जाते हैं लाइफ में कि हम हंसना भूल जाते हैं
Exactly.
So I was telling my friends before you all joined, do you know why angels fly? because they take themselves lightly. You know, this world is a big joke. If you can see it as a joke that it is, you will only laugh.
Right.
तो क्या unnecessary लोग ड्रामा करते हैं, you know? So when I listen to all these fellows, you know, कभी-कभी गलती से हम वो टीवी ऑन कर देते हैं, वो टॉक शोज हो रहे होते हैं. The nation wants to know all those sort of things, you know. So I'm just listening to them कि साला जोकर है यार. Such a funny fellow he is. Blah blah blah. All of them only doing blah 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 blah. तो फिर आया कोरोना, वो बोलता है करो ना, बोलो ना, करो ना, बोलते बोलो ना, करो ना. So what am I saying to you? करो ना, खुशी करो. ठीक है, वित्रेवल एक काम करो. Now it is your turn to make them talk, you know. They talk more when you are talking. I will mute myself.
I remember one conversation with my friend. He said it very seriously. It was so funny. I said, oh, there was a family marriage function. Then I asked him, oh, why are you sitting at home? Why don't you go to that function? He said, I cannot go now. I asked him, why you can't go? No, there will be everybody laughing and being happy. I can't bear it.
He can't bear being happy.
Being happiness.
Can I share one thought on that?
You can share 2 thoughts if you want to.
With happiness, to my belief, is not a pursuit. This is a mandatory requirement. This is a prerequisite. Means that if we are not happy, we cannot do anything very well. If we are happy, we will enjoy everything. If we are happy, then we enjoy the lunch. If we are happy, then we speak well. If we are happy, then we connect well. Means being is primary and doing is secondary. Be it, doing will be automatic. But why don't we do this? As Mr. Sukh was asking, the secret of being in these discouraging and despairing thoughts, I feel that once Khalil Gibran has said that growth is by effort and decay is by default.
Yes.
And growth requires some effort. And we normally, by habitual, we don't want to make any effort. We want to be in our comfort zone by nature, by default. If we are in there, we are attracting these unhappy thoughts and this unhappiness. Since we want to be in comfort, most of the time we attract that.
Yes, that's
As
a very
now
good one.
today's topic that choose happiness. Choose happiness also requires some amount of effort. Maybe very small.
Oh
but
yes,
requires some effort.
it requires
And
courage
what-
also.
It requires courage. Courage requires effort. We don't want to do this. So if we don't do anything, by decay, it is default. But by default, it is a decay. And decay means the same thing, these unhappy thoughts and this path. So that is why probably most of the time we remain unhappy.
Right.
Thank you
Thank
very
you so
much.
much for sharing it. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.
This is
Let's
just
give
a
him all
food for
big
thought.
hand. I would have food to eat. Have you noticed one thing? When you're happy, even food tastes much better.
I can say that happiness is the greatest motivator.
Yes.
So one gentleman, you know, in a company, then I was training them, right? Very senior person. He says, sir, people should be unhappy, then only they perform. I said, really? He says, yeah, if they're happy and content, why they will have any motivation to work? मैंने कहा अच्छा इसीलिए तुम सबको डरा के काम कराते हो। मैंने कहा कभी उनको खुश करके काम करा के देखो कितना
Exactly.
ज्यादा रिजल्ट आ जाएगा। But some people actually believe, you know, that unless they are miserable, they will not work. You see? तो
Next
मैंने उसको
category.
पूछा ऐसा क्यों सोचते हो तुम? कहता है मैं जब छोटा था ना, मेरे पिताजी ने मुझे थप्पड़ मारा, उसके बाद मेरी परफॉर्मेंस ठीक हो गई। अच्छा तुमको थप्पड़ मारा, तुम्हारा परफॉर्मेंस इंक्रीज हो गया, उसका मतलब है सब थप्पड़ से ही मोटिवेट होते हैं। कुछ लोग मोटी से शादी करके भी मोटिवेट हो जाते हैं, थप्पड़ खाने की जरूरत नहीं है। But you know something, research has shown, I mean, behavioral scientists in Germany, they were doing a research which has proved beyond any doubt that performance and well-being, they go hand in hand.
Exactly.
That is why, you know, programs like Mr. Kapil Sharma's program very popular.
Yeah.
तो लोगों को मौके ढूंढने पड़ते हैं ना, कैसे हंसे। कोई गाना भी सुना था हमने, कैसे हुआ तो वो ढूंढ रहे मौके कि खुश कैसे हो जाए। कुलदीप जी, यू मेड अ वेरी वेरी नाइस पॉइंट, यू नो, क्योंकि खुश होने के लिए भी एफर्ट करना पड़ेगा भाई। बिकॉज इफ वी लिव, नहीं जी बिल्कुल एफर्ट करना पड़ेगा ना। दैट्स व्हाट वी आर डूइंग एवरी मॉर्निंग। वी गेट अप 7:30 टू मेक श्योर दैट वी आर नॉट drowned in this negativity that is there all around. If you look at most of the media and what is going on in the media today, more than 90% is to make you feel miserable, to make you feel frightened, to make you negative. All right?
Yeah.
I mean, where is that stuff which will make you feel good about life and happiness, you know? ऐसे तो उनके पास बड़ी सीरियस स्टडीज है ये दिखाने के लिए कि सर अगर आप डर में जियोगे ना, आपका जो क्या कहते हैं इम्यूनिटी कम हो जाएगा। अरे यार तुम ये पाठ पढ़ा रहे हो कि डर होएगा तो इम्यूनिटी कम हो जाएगा, फिर लोगों को डरा क्यों रहे हो? Isn't it funny? Whether we are doing opposite of what we are talking, you know. So that's why I said, okay, let us meet together every morning and let us become the positivity warriors. We will not allow the people to sink into this morass of negativity that is there all around us. Okay? Because I'll tell you something. The thing which influences others is feelings. We influence others by feelings. So if we are great, we are enthusiastic, we are happy, then we are sending out those energies and vibrations of positivity all around us.
Yes.
That's what we are doing every morning. Whatever is coming in the way of being happy, whatever is coming in the way of allowing us a life of ease and joy and happiness, we will deal with it so that we remain happy and other people also remain happy.
Yes.
Now I press the pause button so that you can talk.
One more point. You asked me to share 2 points. You permitted me to share 2 points.
Yeah.
The second point, what I want to share is that we should understand that life is not happening to us. Life is responding to us.
Yeah.
If we say a word of love, it will respond accordingly.
Yep.
If we create, if we spread hate, that will respond. So it is responding to it. So what response we want, we have to act accordingly. And for that, happiness is a prerequisite. It's a not negotiable.
Absolutely.
It's not negotiable.
Absolutely. Your life is a mirror of you.
Yeah.
You know, life is a mirror of you. That is what Chaturvedi ji is saying. क्योंकि जो आप फेंकोगे वही दिखाई देगा ना, दुख भरा शक्ल बनाओगे तो वही तो दिखाई देगा all around. Life is a mirror of you. My life is a mirror of me. So what do you want to see in the mirror? Happiness or unhappiness? Beautiful point Kuldeep ji has made. Okay, who's next? They will keep on motivating them to talk.
That's what, sir. When we started, we discussed, no? In home, people will ask, why are you looking so serious? Because today they are talking about happiness.
Nidhi, you are very quiet today. Why don't you motivate them? तो निधि से नहीं सर मुझे और 10 किलो वेट बढ़ाने दो फिर मैं मोटिवेट करूंगी.
Sir, I'm like, I become like a bacha, like with kids or with music. Like a lot of people tell me, like with music you generate those feelings and you're happy, whether it's a dancing music or smiling or anything. So I just say, yeah, because I feel it and I just enjoy and let myself flow with the things. I don't want to restrict.
All right, so we are coming to the close of our happy session today. Thank you very much, everybody, for being with us and making this session a happy session. And let us continue to spread happiness and joy all around us. And we'll meet tomorrow and share with everybody how did we do that. So have a wonderful day, my wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary positivity warriors. Congratulations for being here on this planet Earth to spread happiness. Thank you. And bye-bye.
Thank you.
Nidhi and Vitrivel.
Thank you, sir.
And Rama, can you stay for a bit?
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Hasina ji, happy Eid.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
All right, Kasa and Kuldeep, you can leave the meeting now. Thank you very much for being with us. We'll see you tomorrow. कल फिर मिलेंगे. अच्छा तो हम चलते हैं. कल फिर मिलोगी. Thank you, Mansi. Let's see you tomorrow. Oh, hey. Wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary friends. How are you? We are really missing Kunayan, no? He brings such serious humor to the proceedings, you know.
Especially his accent and style.
दिलीप कुमार. एक होता है दिलीप कुमार स्टाइल, एक होता है कुनैन.
Just to imitate, what is running on my mind is now.
Running. What is running on your mind right now? I have to run, sir. I have targets to meet, sir.
No,
Money
sir.
to collect,
No, sir.
sir.
Kunain starts like this.
Oh, so he does.
What is
He
running
sits
on?
like this and then he starts like this.
What is running on my mind right now is.
But it is never walking in his mind, no? Always is running only. Because mind is working too fast to see. Anyway, good guys, you enjoy your day. And Rama, just stay for a bit. The rest of you can
Thank you,
leave
sir.
the
Bye-bye.
meeting. I
Bye.
can
Sir,
stop the recording.